Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter tutorials versus Visual Studio Code. We'll explore how these two essential tools function, their individual strengths, and how they integrate to create an efficient development environment. Understanding their roles will help you decide the best setup for your mobile and web application projects. We'll cover key features and practical considerations for both. Flutter stands out with its ability to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Its rich set of customizable widgets and reactive framework simplify UI development. Features like hot reload allow you to see changes almost instantly, significantly accelerating your development cycle and boosting productivity by many times over traditional methods. Visual Studio Code, a lightweight yet incredibly powerful code editor, offers extensive customization. It boasts a vast ecosystem of extensions, providing excellent support for Dart and Flutter development. Integrated debugging tools, seamless Git control, and a robust terminal are all built in, streamlining your workflow and making coding a much smoother experience for developers. Ultimately, the choice isn't about which is inherently better, but rather how they complement each other. Flutter is a UI toolkit for building applications, while VS Code is the versatile editor where you write your code. The optimal approach involves leveraging Flutter's powerful framework within the highly efficient and customizable environment that Visual Studio Code provides, creating a truly powerful combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.